it's your boy. I'm back, and I'm gonna go fishing to this creek where I made that failed catch and cook. That was like the worst thing ever. I don't even know why I did it, but anyways, I'm gonna go back to that creek to go fishing for some bass. Cause the other day we went there, my friend had caught a nice 2-pound bass with the black spinner bait, and he did pretty good on it. That was the only big bass he caught. And then we went down the road I want to say a couple more minutes into this other creek, other side of the creek, and I caught a little bass and he caught another bass. So it was pretty good. It was we caught in total like 3 or 4 bass and within 20 minutes, so it wasn't that bad. But anyways, I'm gonna go today. It's approximately 5:30 in the afternoon or evening, and I'm gonna go over there and see how it is. I got a couple new baits, and yeah, let's see if we can get anything, and hopefully I can get a nice 2-pounder, maybe bigger than that like he did. So I'll see you guys there. And I'm going to start off with the Cane Thumper by Big Bites, and I have a Strike King jig head on there, and it's a 5-inch, and let's see if I can get anything. You can see all the bait fish and all that, bluegills, all right there. See if I can get anything. Yeah, that was a good one right there. See if I can hit a biter fish. Ooh, so close. I can see my bait above the water. I'll be sick if something just comes out of nowhere. There's a big bass right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. The bass isn't that big. It's probably like a pound. But still. There's my chance for that one. That was an epic first catch. I've got another bait I can try on. Well, I can try. Put that up. My friend left his fishing pole here, and it has a bait caster. It's the one he used. This is the one he used to catch that 2-pound fish. And let's see if I can get anything on it. His reel is smaller than mine, and I'm not used to it, but hopefully I don't get a bird's nest on it. Try hard Ford. That was a try hard Ford right there, guys. So this spinnerbait looks pretty good in the water. And yeah, I know it's black and the water looks
looks green and all that. It's not an ideal color, but if a fish gets it, it's either because it sees it or it's a reaction strike. It's one of the reasons. And yeah, and not always that bass are gonna bite on the color of the water is creature based and all that. So you gotta change it up a bit. Well, I'll get back to you guys when I get a bite or a fish, or when I move on to another spot. I bought this fly fishing rod a while back. I want to say a good month ago, and I've caught a couple bass and bluegill on this out of this creek, so I'm gonna try it on. I have a green woolly booger on. So that's what it looks like, green woolly booger. And there's a bass right there, and I'm gonna try for it using fly style. And I'm not a professional fly fisherman, but I say I'm good enough. And this woolly booger is a wet fly. Gotta get his weight to it. See, I think the bass sees it or not. I'm gonna try to go for it ahead of him, like that. So. So I have polarized sunglasses on, so that's why I can see the bass and fish a little bit better. That's a chunky bass right there. Right there at the end of my rod tip. See some fish chasing the little booger. Right back to you, man. See. That was okay. I'm gonna go out for the middle. That was a fail. I got some overuse on it. Well, I'm failing horribly at this. That was a good play. If I say so myself. I'll get back to you guys whenever I catch a fish. Stay tuned. Go to the other creek I was telling you about, which is down the road, and let's see if I get any luck there, cause I know one side is not really good, maybe for like top water, but not like bottom baits, any like creature baits and all that. So I'm gonna try on the other side and see what I get there, and that's where I caught my first bass. And if you go on my Instagram, you will see that picture of my only bass I caught on that creek, on that size. Well, go check out my Instagram and you'll see it. Stay tuned. This is the bait I'm gonna start off with. I'm gonna start off with this huge worm. Let's see what size it was. This worm, by Zoom, it's Old Monster 10 and a half inch. It's 10 and a half inch, and I'm using a size 5 worm hook. Let's see if you can catch anything with this. And I'm doing a simple knot. You twist it right there. Give it some lubrication so it won't mess up the knot. Put it in the hole of the eye of the hook. And then pull both ends. That's how you not check. Bite off that meat piece, put a meat piece on. Like I was doing, twist it. Add lubrication, put it in the eye how I'm gonna put it. So first I'm gonna give it a shot on this side, and then I'm gonna go back on that side. So this side falls out pretty good size. So this is how this side looks. Not very good for open water, but this side's pretty open right here, and I'm just gonna give it a send there. Give it a send, and I see the bait right there. So you gotta swim it. That, if you guys see it, that's how it looks in the water. So just give it some time to sink a bit. Like, this is something these fish have never seen before, an oversized worm. Because I'm pretty sure this place is pressured. Well, not extremely pressured, but has got fished a lot. And I'm not an expert at fishing, but I say I'm alright. But it's something different. Like, it's a watermelon color, watermelon seed. Like, there's a bass right there. Oh! I don't know if you guys saw that, but it was in his mouth. See? There's a little bass right there. I let him eat it because it was that bait I'm using was probably a little, like probably like 2 inches bigger than he is. But I saw him. I let him eat it for a bit. Gave him a second, and he was right there where all that stuff is right there. Give him a sec, and I yanked, and then I set the hook, but he got off. There's another bass right there. Probably the same one. Still looking pretty good. Looks like an oversized gummy worm. So I missed one fish on it. Okay, time to go on the other side. This is how I'm gonna do it. Cross over. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's muddy right here. Don't want to run into a snake. Really, well, really, that's, if I run into a snake, really would have messed up my day if I get bit. But like, just like, whoa, that's crazy. Probably stepped on there 2 times. But yes, like I said, it's probably gonna give me a bad day if I get bit by a snake, and I don't want to get bit by a snake. So we go first send on this side. Not a very far cast, but hey, it's good with me. Just gotta give it a couple twitches, and that's my technique for fishing this. Just giving it a couple twitches, let it sink, twitch it again, reel in, twitch it again. Oh, right there. So this bait is probably exact size, probably either bigger than this fish or the same size as it. But here you go, this is how it is. Dude, this is bigger than this little bass. But anyways, I still caught a bass with it. Hey, there you go. Let's see, first cast, first fish with this lure. There's the release, and let's see if we can get some more. Ooh, That didn't sound too good. Let me take all this out. Loose fishing line. There we go. And see if we can get another one again. See, I gave that fish a couple seconds to eat it. And let's see if we can get another one. A bigger one this time. Oh, I got a bite. I had a bite. Sorry for the wind, guys, but that breeze right there feels super good. It's like 100 degrees out here, I'm sure. It's 101 degrees in Texas. I got a fish. Oh my gosh. I think these fish are too small for this bait. But hey, I'm not here for the little fish. I'm here for this big bass that I saw in here the other day. Hey, but hey, at least it's working, you know. I'm getting bites with it and everything. So yeah, like I said, here in Texas, it's 101 degrees. That is hot. Oh, I got a fish. Oh my gosh, this worm is a little too big for it. I really don't want to downsize it because I'm here for this big fish in here. It's not really big, but it's like a good pound, or maybe more. But I saw him in here the other day, and I want to catch him. And yeah, I know I haven't made any videos recently, so this is why I'm making one now. But I will see you guys when I catch a fish. Oh my gosh. So I was just swimming it. Oh my. I was swimming it back from where the start of the dust line right there. I was swimming it back. And right around here, right there where my finger's pointing, this bass came out of nowhere. It destroyed it. Oh my gosh, I wish I had my camera rolling. This is a chunky fish. This was the fish I saw the other day. Just destroyed and came out of nowhere. Dude. Nice little fish. I want to say I'd give it 1.5 pounds, maybe 2. But like I said, if you want to go see every picture I post, go on Instagram. While I open my camera. But like I said, come on. So I'm going to Instagram right now, and oh my gosh, this fish scared me so bad. Alright, so I'm gonna take this selfie, you know, with my bass I just caught. Right there. So if you want to go see that, go like it and all that, please go follow me, and I will go follow you guys back. So there's that fish right there. It's nice. It just came out of nowhere and destroyed it. But here you go. I want to get a good release on this. Never mind. There he goes. Chunky fella. All dirty now. Whoa, like I said, go like my picture on Instagram. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this. My line's all destroyed and ugly because of this, all this dust in the water. Ugh. But on the big worm, guys. Let's go. And I was just swimming it. Let's go. Let's go. On the whole 10.5-inch worm. Let's go, guys. Let's go. And I was just swimming it. So it was right here, and I was swimming it just like that, and it comes out of nowhere. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Now my whole area where I was stepping at is messed. That bass scared me so bad. But thank you, I caught a nice little bass out of here. And see if I can do that again. I'm gonna repeat the steps. And yeah, stay tuned, guys, and go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram name right here where my hand is, and go follow me. And I'm gonna put a picture of my profile picture so you guys know which ones to click on. Thanks. Stay tuned. Guys, as soon as I turn off the camera, I got a bite. That is crazy. God. Like, this is what I was doing, and now it got super close. I was doing it in slowly, and boom! Out of nowhere, just comes. Wow. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna turn off the camera, because I just got a bite. It was a good hefty bite too. Oh, right there. It's a little one, but hey, oh, he got off. I had so much line out. So much line. All right, well, let's go at it again. That's not where I threw it, but you know, there's fish everywhere, and it was not too far from there. I was letting it sink too, and I was getting a bite. How crazy is that? And that fish was pretty small. I saw it when it got out of the water. It was pretty small. But this is what I was doing. Oh, what the heck? Some leaves. But like I was doing, I was just reeling it in. Super slow. Just reeling it in. I let it sit, let it fall down, let it shimmer to the bottom. And what I was doing, I was just reeling it in real slow. That's it. Real slow, and I give it a pause. Let it sink a bit more. And then that's it. Reeling it. Oh, right there, getting a bite. I think he dropped it. I should have set the hook. And there you go, getting bites on this big old worm. So I let it sink. Just reeling it in slowly. Let it sink a bit more. Very muddy. And when you guys do this and you see mud or any type of fishing, use shoes that you're not scared to use or get dirty. So like I said, reeling it in another, right. Oh, that was something else. It's weeds. Oh, wow. Frog, I think it's a frog. So I'm gonna put this on the other side of it. Boom. Boom. Right there. Boom. And boom. Get back to fishing. Oh, no. No. All this dust right there. Oh my gosh. Water dust. Oh, something just hit right there. A little bass. So that was a good enough amount for it to sink. So start to reeling it in. Tongue twister right there. Look at that. Disgusting. Almost got a bird's nest, but it got out with the cast. There we go. Now it's all clean. Let it sink a bit more. Let's get her done. So I'll get back to you guys when I get a bite or another fish. Like I got that little 1.5 or 2 pound right there. So stay tuned. And like I said, go follow me on Instagram and I will follow you guys back. And my Instagram name is going to be right here. And then I'm going to post a picture of my profile pic right here. So go follow me and stay tuned. Dang, calm down. But like I said, go follow me. I have the GO. My mama is calling me for supper. And I'm not, like to say, super close to home. I'm probably like a good 20-30 minutes away from home. So my mom was saying supper's gonna be done in 10 minutes. So if I'm not at the table in 10 minutes, I might get a butt whooping. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for staying tuned, and thank you for the subscribers. And if you're new, please, well, if you're subscribed, like this, and if you're new, like this and go subscribe, please. You're doing me a big old favor, and so I can continue doing this, because I love doing what I'm doing. Even though I barely have any subscribers, I love fishing. I love to do what I do. And just please go subscribe, like, and go follow me on Instagram. Thank you for being a subscriber, and go follow me on Instagram, like I said so many times. But thank you, and stay tuned for more videos.